Welcome, here I've got Huawei Mate 10 Pro and let me show you how to turn on and off camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so we have to change it because leveler here is only available in video and pro modes. So let me pick for example now the video, and here we have to tap the right corner button to open camera settings. Now in video settings at the second position we have horizontal level option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off our leveler. Now let me keep it turned on, and in the preview we get access to this type of line now. This is useful when we want to be sure that we hold our device steady when we need to take straight picture or straight video. And now let's move to Pro. So I can show you also that it appears here in the center. Don't be afraid about all of these settings, you can stay on auto, or I can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use all of that. And here let's turn this off by going again to right corner button to capture settings, to horizontal level now at the third place. And as you can see, the leveler has gone here and also in the video. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.